Welcome back to Mobiles Talk. Today we're checking out the brand new Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, a phone that's bringing flagship-like features at a mid-range price. Let's dive into the full review and see if it's worth your money. Design and build. Right out of the box, the design feels solid and premium. It has a glass front and back, and the matte finish frame gives it a very elegant look. Available in graphite black, ice blue, and mint green, the phone looks stylish, in hand, and doesn't attract fingerprints easily. It's slim, lightweight, and yes, it comes with IP67 water and dust resistance. Display. It features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is bright, colors pop beautifully, and it's perfect for watching content or gaming. The punch-hole design and slim bezels give it a modern and immersive look. Performance. The A56 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, with up to 8GB RAM and 128 or 256GB storage. Daily performance is smooth, and even games like PUBG or COD run without major lag. It runs One UI 6 on Android 14, clean, user-friendly, and feature-packed. There's also RAM Plus and Samsung's secure folder for privacy. Camera. On the back, you get a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP depth sensor. Photos are sharp, dynamic range is decent, and night mode performs surprisingly well. The 32MP front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. Skin tones look natural and detailed. Battery and charging. It packs a 5,000 mAh battery that easily lasts all day. You also get 25W fast charging support, though the charger isn't included in the box. Still, you can get up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Extra features. Other highlights include stereo speakers, in-display fingerprint sensor, full 5G support, and Samsung Knox security. Everything you need is packed into this sleek device. Conclusion. So should you buy the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G? If you're after a phone with a vibrant display, great performance, solid cameras, and Samsung's trusted ecosystem, this one's a great choice. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mobiles Talk.